Well, our today's topic is human reproduction. This is the third chapter of Unit 6, Class 12 Biology. In this chapter, we will be discussing about the reproduction of organism or reproduction of the human being. What are the steps that involves? Okay, in detail we will study. But in this chapter is not only help you to appear the board exam, but also it helps to dissuade the curiosity that develops in all age groups. Okay, one thing you must notice that males are reproductive capable throughout the life. That means males are reproductive capable throughout the life, but the females are not like the males. That means they have limited period of time. After that, they cannot produce the egg. That means they cannot become fertile. They cannot reproduce the organisms after 40 to 45 years. Why? Because egg production will not take place. Okay. So these are some basic general things or general differences in between the male and female. Right. And in this chapter we will be discussing about all these things. First is that human being, they reproduce by sexual method. Okay, sexual method, but the condition is after puberty. That means the organism, the human being reproduce by the method of sexual, okay, and they produce the young one. They produce young one by giving birth, which is called viviparous. That means human being, they reproduce the young individual, directly in young individuals. Okay, so they are called the viviparous. But condition is that puberty. After puberty, the sexual reproduction process will happen. Before maturation of the sex organs or else before puberty, the reproduction will not possible. Why? Because the reproductive organs, they do not support. After maturation, both male and female reproductive organ, they support. Okay, support means in what sense? They produce the gametes. Okay, after that it will happen. Okay, now we will go through the series of events that takes place during the time of sexual reproduction. The first step is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means what? The male gamete and the female gamete both are produced by male organisms and female organisms respectively. That means the male organism produce the male gamete, which is called spermatozoa or the sperm. Similarly, the female organism produce the female gamete, which is called egg. You get my point? And both the nature, the fluidity of male gamete and female gamete is called fluidity is haploid. Okay. The next step is, or next event is insemination. Insemination means what? A deposition of the male gamete. That means the male gamete, that means the sperm or spermatozoa enters into the female body or genital tract. Okay, by the process of copulation is called insemination. Insemination means the movement or the entry of the male gamete or the sperm into the female genital tract is known as insemination. The next event is called fertilization. You know well what do you mean by fertilization. Fertilization means what? The male gamete and the female gamete, they will fuse with each other, okay, in the oviduct. The question may ask, if someone will ask you, what is the site of fertilization? Where does it take place? That means in the oviduct itself. When the male gamete reaches into the female organism or female body, at that time the male gamete or the sperm will go to the oviduct where the fertilization takes place and it forms the zygote. That is called fertilization. That means you see here the male gamete fuse with the female. These are haploid in nature. Finally they produce the diploid, that is called zygote. Okay. After formation of the zygote, and this fusion of male and female gamete takes place in where? It takes place in oviduct. And after formation of the zygote, gradually it descends towards the uterus. Okay. And zygote later on gives rise to early embryo. After formation of zygote, it will undergo series of divisions, cell divisions, to produce a multicellular structure. First multicellular structure, that is called early embryo. And these early embryo, now it attaches to the uterine wall of the female body, which is called implantation. Next event is called implantation. That means the early embryo attaches to the uterus wall. That means it will attach to the uterine wall of the mother. This attachment of this early embryo is called implantation. For what purpose the early embryo attaches to the uterine wall? Only for obtaining the nutrition for further development. That is called implantation. Okay. Next is your gestation. Gestation is what? The early embryo takes some period of time. It takes some period of time to become embryo. And that period of time is called gestation. And gestation period especially varies from organism to organism, right? So gestation means what? The time period taken by the early embryo to become embryo is called gestation. The time period in which the embryo develops, that means development of the embryo takes place. Okay. The last event is called parturition. Parturition means what? After embryo, again it will undergo the series of divisions to become a multicellular structure, and that multicellular structure is called fetus, and the fetus will give the release from body to outside. That means it release from mother body to outside. That process is called parturition. Parturition means deliver of the baby. Okay. So you can see over here there are certain terminologies are there. Embryo to fetus. Then fetus give birth. Okay. Fetus took birth. Okay, then it forms infant. Right? See, when the zygote forms up to 8 weeks, after formation of the zygote, that means after 8 weeks of the formation of the zygote, the multicellular structure is called early embryo. Then early embryo undergo the series of divisions to become embryo. After that, fetus. And fetus means it is ready now to take birth. Okay, that means up to the delivery period. Okay, delivery period, it is called fetus. And fetus when delivered to outside, that means when it comes out from the mother body, then the organism is called infant, but up to 4 weeks. Up to 4 weeks we can say that infant. Okay. So these are some series of events that take place. We have come across with these the events. In the next video we will be discussing all these things in detail. Thank you.